Hey guys, this is a story called Barnyard Boogie by Tim McKenna. The Barnyard Band is performing today. All the musicians are ready to play. Oh, I hear some rhyming words. Horse brings the tuba, goat swings the sax. But what can cow do? No. Cat bows the fiddle, pig plays piano. But what can cow do? Moo. Sheep blares the trumpet, dog bangs the drums. But what can cow do? Moo. The crowd is waiting to hear the show. How will they start? When will they go? Who will lead the band? Woo, hoo, hoo. Cow, of course, and one, and moo. Come on, let's boogie and give a hand to Cow and the Barnyard Animal Band. Good. All right, friends.